Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete Instagram account permanently. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, just tap on account center, and inside your account center you just have to tap on profile details. After tapping on profile details, now you can just simply tap on account ownership and control, and then tap on deactivation or deletion. After tapping on that, just simply select your Instagram profile, and after selecting it, just select the delete account option and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you just have to select a reason why you would like to delete your account and then tap on continue, and then again tap on continue. And after doing that, now what you can do is just enter the password of your account, and after entering it, just tap on continue, and that will delete your account. So that's it guys, this is how to delete Instagram account permanently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.